JavaScript strings are sequences of characters used to represent text. They can be created using single quotes, double quotes, or backticks. For example, hello, world, and JavaScript are all valid strings. Some key characteristics of strings in JavaScript are that they are immutable, meaning they cannot be changed after they are created. They use zero-based indexing, meaning the first character is at index 0. They have full support for Unicode characters. Also, strings have a rich set of built-in methods for performing various operations. There are three primary ways to create strings in JavaScript. The most common way is to use single quotes. For example, let string equals single quote hello world single quote. If a single quote is part of the string, a backslash is used to escape it, as in let escaped equals single quote at backslash s a sunny day single quote. Double quotes are an alternative to single quotes. They are useful when the string contains single quotes. For example, let string equals double quote hello world double quote, and let quote equals double quote she said single quote hi single quote double quote. Template literals use backticks and are a modern way to create strings. They support multi-line strings and variable interpolation. For example, let name equals single quote user single quote, and let greeting equals backtick hello $sign curly bracket name curly bracket exclamation point, new line, welcome to JavaScript backtick. String concatenation is the process of combining strings using the plus operator, or the concat method. For example, let first name equals double quote John double quote, let last name equals double quote Doe double quote. Using the plus operator, let full name equals first name plus double quote space double quote plus last name. Using the concat method, let greeting equals double quote hello space double quote dot concat with first name. This results in the output John Doe and hello John. The length of a string can be obtained using the length property, and individual characters can be accessed using bracket notation. For example, let text equals double quote JavaScript double quote. To get the length, let length equals text.length. To access characters, let first char equals text square bracket 0 square bracket, and let last char equals text square bracket text.length minus 1 square bracket. This results in length 10, first character j, and last character t. Strings can be compared using comparison operators like triple equals and locale compare. For example, let string 1 equals double quote hello double quote, and let string 2 equals double quote hello double quote. Let is equals string 1 triple equals string 2. And let compare result equals string 1 dot locale compare with string 2. This results in is equal being false and compare result being 1. Other data types can be converted into strings. For example, let number equals 1 2 3 and let bool equals true. To convert these into strings, let number str equals string with number inside and let bool str equals bool to string, which results in number str being the string 1 2 3 and bool str being the string true. The index of method and last index of method are used to find the position of a substring within a string. For example, let text equals double quote hello world comma space hello JavaScript double quote. Let first index equals text.indexOf with hello, and let last index equals text.lastIndexOf with hello. This returns first index 0 and last index 13. If the substring is not found, it will return -1. The includes, starts with, and ends with methods are modern methods used to check the content of a string. For example, let string equals double quote JavaScript programming double quote. Let has script equals string dot includes with script let starts with Java equals string dot starts with Java, and let ends with Ming equals string dot ends with Ming. This results in has script being true starts with Java being true, and ends with Ming being true. The search method is used with regular expressions for advanced pattern matching. For example, let text equals double quote the year is 2024 double quote. Let has number equals text.search with /d plus /, and let has word equals text.search with /year /, which gives has number being 12 and has word being 4. The match method is used to extract matching substrings using regular expressions. For example, let text equals double quote email colon space test at example.com double quote. Let matches equals text.match with // w plus at /w plus /w plus /, and let all matches equals text.match with // w plus /g, which will return matches equals array containing the string test at example.com, and all matches being the array containing email, test, example, and com. The toUpperCase method and toLowerCase methods are used to change the case of strings. For example, let text equals double quote JavaScript string double quote. Let upper equals text.toUpperCase and let lower equals text.toLowerCase. This results in upper being the string JavaScript string and lower being the string JavaScript string. The trim method removes white space from strings. Let text equals double quote space hello world space double quote. Let trimmed equals text.trim, let trim start equals text.trim start, and let trim end equals text.trim end. This results in trimmed being the string hello world, trim start being the string hello world space, and trim end being the string space hello world. The replace method and replace all methods are used to replace substrings in a string. For example, let text equals double quote hello world comma space hello.js double quote. Let new text equals text.replace, replacing the first hello with hi, and let all new equals text.replace all, replacing all occurrences of hello with hi. This results in new text being the string hi world comma space hello.js, and all new being the string hi world comma space hi.js. The pad start and pad end methods add padding to achieve the desired string length. Let number equals double quote 42 double quote. Let padded equals number.pad start with 5 and 0, and let padded end equals number.pad end with 5 and asterisk. This results in padded being the string 00042, and padded end being the string 42 asterisk. The substring method and the slice method are used to extract portions of a string. Each method has its own special characteristics and use cases. Using the substring method, let text equals double quote JavaScript double quote. Let sub1 equals text.substring, starting from 0 till 4, and let sub2 equals text.substring with 4. This results in sub1 being the string Java and sub2 being the string script. Using the slice method, let text equals double quote JavaScript double quote. Let slice1 equals text.slice with -6, and let slice2 equals text.slice with 0 and -4. This results in slice1 being the string script and slice2 being the string Java. The split method splits a string into an array of substrings. In its basic usage, let text equals double quote apple comma banana comma orange double quote. Let fruits equals text.split with comma, and let characters equals text.split with an empty string. This results in fruits being an array containing the strings apple, banana, and orange, and chars being an array containing individual characters of the string. In an advanced split example, let sentence equals double quote JavaScript is awesome double quote. Let words equals sentence.split with a space, and let limited equals sentence.split with space and 2 as arguments. This results in words being the array containing JavaScript, is and awesome, and limited being the array containing JavaScript and is. Numbers can be converted to strings using different methods. Let number equals 42.5, and let integer equals 100. Using the string method, let string1 equals string with number. Using the toString method, let string2 equals integer.toString, and using template literals, let string3 equals backtick $ curly bracket number curly bracket backtick. This results in string1 being the string 42.5, string2 being the string 100, and string3 being the string 42.5. Strings can be converted to numbers using various techniques. Let string equals double quote 42.5 double quote, and let int str equals double quote 100 double quote. Using the number method, let number1 equals number with string. Using parseInt and parseFloat, let number2 equals parseInt with int str, and let number3 equals parseFloat with string. Using the unary plus operator, let number4 equals plus string. This results in number1 being 42.5, number 2 being 100, number 3 being 42.5, and number 4 being 42.5. Arrays can also be converted into strings and vice versa. Let array equals square bracket single quote hello single quote comma single quote world single quote square bracket, and let string equals double quote JavaScript double quote. To convert the array to a string, let joined equals array.join with space, and to convert string to array, let chars equal array.from with string and let spread chars equals spread operator string. This results in join being the string hello world, chars being an array of characters from J to T, and spread chars also being an array of characters from J to T. There are a couple of special transformations that can be done with strings. Base 64 encoding and decoding can be done. Let text equals double quote hello world double quote. Let encoded equal toa with text, and let decoded equals atab with encoded. URI encoding can be done. Let URL equals double quote https://example com/path ? Equals John Doe double quote. Let encoded URL equals encode URI component with URL. This will result in encoded being the base 64 encoded version of Hello World, which is SGV-SBG8GV29YBGQ equals, and the decoded variable will contain the string Hello World. Please note that toa and atab only work with ASCII characters. Template literals allow for basic string interpolation, which is the process of inserting variables and expressions directly into strings. Using template literals, const name equals double quote John double quote, const age equals 30, const greeting equals backtick hello comma space $sign curly bracket name curly bracket exclamation point new line, your $sign curly bracket age curly bracket years old backtick, and const calculation equals backtick 2 plus 2 equals $sign curly bracket 2 plus 2 curly bracket backtick. This outputs the string hello John. New line you are 30 years old and 2 plus 2 equals 4. Template literals also allow for creating multi-line strings. Const HTML equals backtick new line less than div class equals double quote user card double quote greater than new line less than h2 greater than user profile less than / h2 greater than new line less than p greater than welcome back. Less than / p greater than new line less than / div greater than backtick. And const SQL equals backtick new line space select asterisk new line space from users new line space where age greater than 18 new line space order by name backtick. These will output multi-line strings. Template literals allow for expression interpolation, which means you can use complex expressions and function calls inside template literals. Const items equals square bracket single quote apple single quote comma single quote banana single quote comma single quote orange single quote square bracket. Const price equals 9.99. Const cart equals backtick new line items $space $sign curly bracket items. Dot join with comma space curly bracket new line total $space $sign curly bracket parenthesis price multiplied by items dot length parenthesis. To fixed with 2 curly bracket new line tax : space $sign curly bracket parenthesis price multiplied by items dot length multiplied by 0.1 parenthesis dot to fixed with 2 curly bracket backtick, which results in cart being a multi-line string. Tag templates allow processing template literals with custom functions. The function highlight with strings and spread operator values. Return strings dot reduce with result comma string comma I arrow function. Backtick result $sign curly bracket string $sign curly bracket values square bracket I square bracket question mark less than span class equals double quote highlight double quote greater than $sign curly bracket values square bracket I square bracket less than / span greater than empty string backtick comma empty string. Const keyword equals single quote JavaScript single quote, and const text equals highlight backtick learn $sign curly bracket keyword curly bracket programming today. Backtick. Tag templates provide a powerful way to create custom string processing logic. For performance optimization, it's important to use string concatenation wisely. Using template literals is preferred over multiple concatenations. For example, const message equals backtick hello $sign curly bracket name curly bracket backtick is good, but doing string concatenation using the plus equal operator in a loop is bad. Using array.join is more efficient for multiple concatenations. Avoid excessive string concatenation and loops. For input validation, always sanitize and validate string inputs. A basic input validation function might look like this. Function validate username with username as argument, return username and typeof username triple equals single quote string single quote, and username.length greater than or equal to 3 and username.length less than or equal to 20. Use trim before validation, and consider using regular expressions for complex validations. Always remember, never trust user input. Be careful with string comparisons. Case-sensitive comparison like single quote string single quote triple equals single quote string single quote will return false. Case-insensitive comparison can be done by using the toLowerCase method. Single quote string single quote toLowerCase triple equals single quote string single quote toLowerCase will return true. Remember, strings are immutable. Watch out for encoding issues with special characters. Use localCompare for proper string comparisons. Utilize modern string methods like starts with, ends with, includes, and repeat. Take advantage of template literals, and use string padding methods for formatting. These features are widely supported in modern browsers. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.